how to identify the best breakout trading using Fibonacci. How to identify the best breakout trading using Fibonacci. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir, mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW 24 traders. For Fibonacci trading, our website is www.dayprotraders.com. The title of the video is how to identify best breakout trading using Fibonacci. All right. This is a short tutorial that will teach traders how one can identify the best trading setup using a specific Fibonacci key level. Okay. All right. Before we continue, I would like to highly recommend to traders to watch the video that we title, okay, Stock Trading Tips for Advanced Fibonacci Traders. Stock Trading Tips for Advanced Fibonacci Traders. I will put the link in the description section. Check it out. Watch it first before watching this video because this is a type of continuation of that video, okay? In that video, I was sharing with traders, okay, stock trading tips that trader can use. One will highlight a high, and a higher high, okay, and then one will draw a trend line. That's the blue trend line that I draw on my chart. And then one will apply Fibonacci extension to the move that will bring the price to retest the trend line for the third time. So you see, we have a high and a higher high, and now we draw our trend line. Now we are waiting for the price to pull back, and the price action that will propel the price to retest the trend line for the third time, we will apply Fibonacci extension to that price action. So from here all the way up here, this is the price action that brought the price on or near the trend line that we have drawn for the third time. So the first time, second time, third time, the price action after the pullback that brought the price to retest it will apply the Fibonacci extension to that price action. The level that we want to highlight is 138% Fibonacci extension level. So that's why it's so important for traders, essential for traders to watch that video that we call Stock Trading Tips for Advanced Fibonacci Traders. The link is in the description section. Check it out, okay? All right, here it is. Okay, so now you see this is the price action that brought the price on or near our trend line for the third time. I don't want the video to be too long. That's why I'm referring you back to that specific video. Okay, so now we highlight the Fibonacci. We apply the Fibonacci extension to this price action, and we highlight the 138% Fibonacci extension level. The advanced Fibonacci traders know that the first challenge for a bullish progression, if the price breaks above the previous high, is the level of 138% Fibonacci extension level. In order to identify the best breakout trading setup using Fibonacci level, one can apply this strategy, highlighting a high and a higher high. We draw the trend line, and then we apply the Fibonacci extension to the third, to the price move, price action that bring the price to retest the trend line for the third time. If the price break above that 138% Fibonacci extension level and the final support, this is usually one of the best Fibonacci trade setups. You see here? So a high, a higher high, we draw the trend line. Now price pull back after the second high, and then rally out to retest the trend line for the third time. We apply the Fibonacci extension from the beginning of that move all the way to the top, though the price touches here, all the way to the top. And now we highlight the 138% Fibonacci extension level. If you do not know anything about Fibonacci extensions and Fibonacci trading, go to www.dayprotrader.com and spend some time there, okay? Spend some time there, okay? So now, if the price break above the 138% level and the final support, this is usually a high probability, okay, breakout trading setup. This is about how one can use Fibonacci to identify the best breakout trading setup. The best breakout trading setup will usually take place above the level of 138% Fibonacci extension level. Now, this is not a trading signal, this is a trading setup. One will now apply a top-down trading method to enter the trade without ignoring the fundamentals, the economy news, and the current market pattern. I don't want the video to be too long. I will also refer traders to the video that we call What is a Multiple Time Frame Trading Method. I'll put the link in the description section for you so you may check it out, okay? So best breakout will take place above, okay, the 138% Fibonacci extension level, all right? For traders that understand the Elliott wave theory, when we see, okay, we see the first wave, all right, and now we have the second wave, all right. Now we will apply, okay, the Fibonacci extension to the first Elliott wave. So we apply, okay, Fibonacci extension to the first Elliott wave, and we will highlight the level of 138% Fibonacci extension level of the first wave, all right. Once we highlight it, if the third Elliott wave will continue, the price will find support above the level of 138% Fibonacci extension level of the first Elliott wave. The challenge for all bullish progression is the 138% Fibonacci extension level of the prior move. The opposite is also true in a downtrend when the prior went down and then rally up a bit, so first wave, and then we have second wave. The challenge for the third Elliott wave is the 138% Fibonacci extension level of the first Elliott wave. We highlight the 138% Fibonacci extension level of the first wave, and if the third Elliott wave will continue, it must break above it must break below, okay, the 138% Fibonacci extension level in a downtrend. The opposite is also true in an uptrend. It must break above the 138% Fibonacci extension level of the first Elliott wave. If you want to know more about Elliott wave, go to 24elliottwaves.com. But for the purpose of this video, talking about how to identify best breakout trading using Fibonacci without going to the left or right of our main topic, all right, the strategy that we are applying here is that we are highlighting a high and a higher high. Then we draw a bullish trend line, and then we wait for the price to pull back, and we want it to go back and retest the trend line for the third time. If the price action is completed, we'll apply Fibonacci extension to that price move, and we will highlight the 138% Fibonacci extension level. The price break above the level of 138% level and the final support, this is a high probability breakout. We have one example here for Amazon stock. You're on a monthly chart. Price break above the level of 138% level. People sold it. It went down. But finally, it found support. Look at the candlestick bar. One up, one down, and one up. This is a typical, powerful reversal pattern on the monthly chart. One down, one up. Powerful. Now we have a trading setup, a bullish trade setup above the 138% Fibonacci retracement level. We'll apply a top-down trading method to enter the trade. One can use a call option to buy after checking the fundamentals. And if you use a top-down trading method before you buy your call option, you are likely to make a better decision. The best breakout trading setup very often will take place above the 138% Fibonacci extension level of the prior price move. The opposite is also true in a downtrend. So so what we are looking for in a downtrend, we look for a low, all right, stay focused, and a lower low. Okay, so we see a low and a lower low. Now we draw our bearish trend line. Okay, we want the price to rally up a bit, and now to come back down to retest our bearish trend line for the third time. Remember, the video that you must watch to understand this strategy is a stock trading tips for advanced Fibonacci traders. The link is in the description section. A low, a lower low. We draw our bearish trend line, price rally up. It may take some time. You may see even on the monthly chart or yearly chart. It may take some time, blah, 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 blah. Few years later, few months later, few quarters later, and then probably pull back to retest the trend line for the third time. You can see this on the 2-hour chart, on the daily chart, even on the 50-minute chart. But on a higher time frame, these are powerful trade setup. Now, it touch it for the third time, we apply Fibonacci extension to the price action that brings the price to retest the trend line for the third time, this one. Now we will highlight the Fibonacci extension level, 138% below the bearish trend line. All right? If the price, remember, okay, here we are talking about a breakout and a continuation. Here now in a downtrend, we are talking about a breakdown and a continuation, which means we want the price to go down. So suppose my friend, the line that I'm drawing here, I'll color it now in turquoise, is our 138% Fibonacci extension level. What we are expecting, okay, the best breakdown, break below, okay, and retest the 138% Fibonacci retracement level. We'll apply top-down trading method. If we receive a sell signal, we will sell and expect the price to continue to go down. For traders that understand area wave, this strategy is usually taking place after the first and the second wave. But the general rule is a high and a higher high. Price goes back to retest the trend line for the third time, pull back, and then go back above it. The best breakout trading setup will take place above or below, okay, the level of 138% Fibonacci extension level. If you like this video, please give us the thumbs up. If you dislike the video, please give us the thumb down. If you love this video, feel free to share it on Google+, on Tumblr, on the social website, okay? If you have any suggestion, put it in the comment section, all right? No spamming, please. If you have any, question, all right, put in the script in the comment section, and then we will record a video to answer your question, all right? If you love our videos, okay, feel free to subscribe to our channel so you may watch more tutorials like this. You may stay tuned with us, okay? This is about how to identify best breakout trading using Fibonacci, especially the 138% Fibonacci extension levels. It makes sense? It is also powerful. We recommend to traders to watch the video that we call Stock Trading Tips for Advanced Fibonacci Traders. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about how to identify best breakout trading using Fibonacci. Speak to you soon.